Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 2. My name's Courtney. If you're new to this series, go back and watch yesterday's video. I'm going to be doing 30 days this month of sites and apps I use to make money on a daily basis. Today, we're going to focus on Prizerebel. Yesterday, we talked about Survey Junkie. Like I said, if you missed that video, please go back and watch that. The link to sign up for that site is in the description of that video. The link for Prizerebel will be in the description of this video. If you sign up, you will get a bonus. So let's do a rundown of Prizerebel. Prizerebel is a get paid to site. If you do things on the site, they will pay you. They have different levels, and the different levels are bronze. You start out with bronze. You go to silver, you go to gold, platinum, and diamond. Okay, so you'll get a prize discount of up to 3% when you reach diamond level. You'll also get a special bonus at the first of each month of up to 3%. When you get up to gold, you'll have automatic prize processing. This is your referral percentages. This is how much money you have to get before you are qualified for that level. Once you get to diamond, you stay there. You don't go any higher. You always keep your status unless you delete your account and then restart. I have 132 points. Every 100 points is equal to $1. So I have $1.32. I can cash out for PayPal, for gift cards, whatever I'd like. I like to do PayPal. So you can cash out at 500 points for $5. All right. Now you want to pay attention. You can follow them on social media. Here it says there's an offer wall bonus. So you click this to enter it. You get the daily challenge. If you reach 109 points today, they'll give you 10 points. Okay. 5-day challenge. If you do it all your daily challenges for a week, they give you 50 cents. Okay. You can enter a raffle for $50 for an Amazon gift card. Here's your reward goal. You can change this at any time. This is your referral link. Mine will be in the description. In this thing, you can do surveys and you can do offer walls. We'll go to the reward store so you can see all of everybody's cashing out. See all the people that recent cash out. You have all of these gift cards. The list goes on and on and on and on and on. I used to do $5 a day every day. I would get on here, I'd make my $5, and then I would jump off. I wouldn't get off this site until I made $5 a day. I'd do surveys, I would watch videos, I'd do offers, and I wasn't allowed to leave this site until I made $5 in a day. So you're not going to qualify for every survey, but you can keep trying them until you do. Over here is your categories. You can get PayPal gift cards, newest gift cards. You can sort them. Let's see, my rewards history. I haven't done anything. Last year was $51.93. This year is $47.20. I've had no referral points today. I have 116 referrals. That doesn't matter though, because if you don't get on the site and do anything, they don't do anything for me. So I just get on here and I focus on what I need for my life. Rewards claimed 110 lifetime points. They've paid me $634.40. Okay. Points earned this year, $46.49. Points earned this month, 7. Points earned yesterday, 7. Points earned today, 0. My current point balance. So I get on here. I do use my referrals. I do videos about this. I share the site. I do tell people that it does help you. It does help with gas and groceries. If you earn $5 a day for 7 days and you cash it out to PayPal, that will help. Use the site to start earning money for Christmas. I love Prizerebel. It's great. It's one of my OG sites. It's one of the first sites I started using to make money online to get me from paycheck to paycheck. Okay. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, comment below. I will answer any questions. As far as I know, this site is available worldwide. Use my link in the description to get a bonus. Make your money today. Don't make excuses. This is day 2. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you get notified of when I drop a new video tomorrow for day 3. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will talk to you guys soon. Hope you have a wonderful day.